Good afternoon, it's Dan Haugh, PTI Securities Futures for your daily wrap-up of Thursday, July 21st. Overnight, it was a relatively narrow range. The stock was, S&Ps were down most of the morning. About 5 o'clock they started edging up as details of the European debt issues started coming out, and we closed up about 6. Asia was mixed, Europe was flat. Now the fundamental before the opening, China's PPI was actually a little bit negative. The Philly Fed was actually a little bit positive. Jobless claims were a little bit negative. So fundamental news was actually a little bit on the negative side going into today. Earnings, the one that everyone was talking about was Morgan Stanley. It was a loss of 38 cents, but they were expecting a much bigger loss, and it was the only trading firm that actually had increase in trading revenue. So that was actually talked about as very, very positive, even though it obviously was a loss on the day. The day closed up, it got stronger and stronger as the day went on as more and more details came out of Europe. We rallied an extra 5 or 6 S&P points on a rumor that we had a debt ceiling raise in Washington, and it was immediately denied by the White House, and we didn't even go down. It was that positive of the day. The SPX closed up 18 at 1343. The Dow closed up 152 at 12724. NASDAQ was up 16. The bonds got hit today for the second day in a row. We're back above 3%, 3.01 on the 10-year note yield. The dollar got killed today also. It was down. So 74.14 it closed at. Looking forward to tomorrow, we actually have quite a bit of news coming out. We have Microsoft coming out as we speak. We also have Caterpillar, McDonald's, and several other big companies coming out tomorrow. This is Dan Haugh, PTI Securities and Futures.